Fit like now. This is me cooking and tasting a Hall's Haggis for my supper. I hope you enjoy. Now, for a start, we've got one Hall's 454 grams haggis and a nip and a handful of tatties. And I think they're Kers pink tatties, because they're of a good, or of a guid, I should say. Now, this is the Hall's haggis, and as you can see, it's just a wee handful, and I would say it would feed 12 folk. Now, this is Orkney oat cakes, because I likes to chaw oat cakes with anything and nothing. Even though your haggis has got heaps of oats in it, I still likes an oat cake with. And your nina war with a tinea beer to sweel down your haggis supper with, your haggis nips and tatties. And if you like lager, you can't beat Tenant's lager. It's a beast. But if you're not a lager drinker, get yourself a tinea iron brew. It's a soft drink, and it gins off a wheel with a haggis. Now, it has 10 wrappings off of the nip in a haggis, and we're ready to gang. This is your wee haggis, but it'll feed 12 folkies, no bother. Now, there's 2 or 3 ways cooking the haggis, and it explains it on the wrapper. You're just 11 minutes in a microwave, and you can steam it for an hour, or you can oven cook it for 1 hour and 20 minutes. But fit idea is pop it in a pan and just stick water up to about a third of the way up to the haggis. And as he seems to work away for me. So you bring it to the boil and then simmer it for a whole hour, and stick a lid back on the pan while it's simmering away, so it steams the haggis at the same time. And don't forget to top up the water every now and again, so that you don't boil it dry, because if you boil it dry, you'll be having a burnt supper. Not a boring supper. Now, while it's boiling away or simmering away, get your wife to chop up a nip and pop him in a pan of water with a suppy of salt. Now, while she's at it, get her to pair it tatties in her and pop him in a pan all ready to go, and tell her to put in a suppy of salt. Now, after a haggis has been simmering for about half an hour, you can switch on your tatties and your nips to boil. Your nips should just take about quarter an hour, and your tatties about 20 minutes. But I give them a job with a fork to test them out, to make sure you don't boil them through the brie. Now, your nips are ready first, so brie out the water and mash them up and put in a suppy of pepper. And next, brie out your tatties and chop them up and put in a wee blob of butter and pour in a wee sup of milk, nee oor mokkel, and give it mashed tatties, a good whisk up to mix the butter and the milk through the tatties, and it'll be fine and creamy. So give it a good whisk up. Now, by this time, your haggis is ready. So take it out the pan and pop it on a plate and cut it open. But watch yourself, because when you cut it open, a steam will fly out it, and bits of haggis will fly out and all. So watch yourself, it doesn't get into your ear. Now, at this point, do not forget to address your haggis and recite a wee bit of poetry for the great Robbie Burns. Now, just put your tatties and your nips and your haggis on your plate and pour out your 10-inch lager and your oat cake and enjoy that haggis supper. Now, I must say that Hall's haggis was just lovely, so I would recommend that for you.